I did this in 2 minutes and you can do it too. Let me show you what we can do with AI. ChatGPT-4 just released the banger. It's called ChatGPT-4 image creator, whatever. But let me show you, man. I'm gonna give you all the prompts, exactly how I done it. And I'll show. Let's go straight away. Let's go. First of all, the McDonald's is a good restaurant to start looking at how to do things, especially if you're a fast food restaurant. So you see that images are prop, nice, cool. So just eat. This is where we are talking about. Look, of course, I think Just Eat wants clear background, so that's what they got going on right there. And yeah, it's dope. So cool, nice restaurant. So to do all this would cost you thousands and hundreds of pounds to do, but today we're gonna do it for way cheap. So let me show you. I'm using this GPT-4. I'm using it in Sora right now. So you can go on Sora.com and then create your own images. If you've got the ChatGPT Pro plan, it's $20 a month or £20 a month. So you guys care about the prompts. So the prompt I used was it's simple English. I want to use my own box like this, blah, 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 happy chicken box, make the background white because that's what Justin wants, and make the fried chicken look tasty and shiny. So remember those two words, tasty and shiny. So delicious looking, please. It's simple English, the most basic. And I used this image from McDonald's that I copied from this McDonald's site we own just now. That's what I showed you. Okay. And yeah, boom. That's what we got. Orange chicken box. The text is good. The chicken is shiny and is tasty. So shiny is like that glowing look. That's what I meant. Exactly. It's new what I meant. Right? Let's go to the next one. Boom. So if you notice on McDonald's, you know, they have pictures of like, the pack, what you're gonna get. So maybe this would be like the other one. This one would be like maybe a box on its own. It's called the Happy Chicken box. This one's called the Happy Burger box. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And then this one is called the Happy Chickens, whatever, because that's my company. It's called Happy Chickens. Anyway, so I made this company app. So what I want to show you is how quickly and fast you can do this in less than 2 minutes. So first of all, I literally told you, this is where we started. Oh, that prompt that I just showed you. Then I said, cool, using that same image as reference, the one we just generated because I loved it. Said, okay, now create a new bigger box, right? And I even gave her, this is the prompt. Wow, that was awesome. That was me just giving AI some props there. Make the bigger box, whatever branding with the same text. How basic is that text? You don't need to be good at prompting anymore. Boom, just like that. You can literally copy and paste that, drop into your Just Eat, Uber Eats. Boom. So this is for Cajun chips. So said I want my chips. I want an image of only chips, right? Remember, I'm using this now as the reference image. My shop is called Happy Chickens, right? So I want obviously the Happy Chicken brand, and I'm using this same looks and everything. It knows, and that's definitely Cajun chips. If you are on Just Eat and you saw those, you'll be like, oh, they look tasty. Boom, you're getting that. And then I said, okay, I used to work for Just Eat myself, so I know one issue is these juices that you guys put in glasses. They always spill. Like the McDonald's ones, these ones, they always spill in the bags. So I said, okay, cool. I'm gonna create my own bottles and I'll print the stickers online, find the shop that can print them, and I'll put them on myself, and I'll boom, and I'll call it Happy Chickens. It's remember the brand name, it's called Happy Chicken. The shop name is called Happy Chickens. And then I will just rock them myself, or I can even get them done. That would be more expensive, but I can get them done. And we just done this in few minutes. Like I'm talking right now, this video is at 3 minutes already because I'm trying to just get so much information. But the truth is, you can do this in seconds using simple English, using simple prompting, and just saying, no, I don't like that color. Make this color pink. No, I don't like that orange juice. Make that orange juice apple juice. And I'm telling you, this AI will get it. This is a big game changer. If you're a business owner, I just want to quickly show you that you can do these prompts. So you can even go online, say these ones. So these ones are less shiny, right? I just say 20 chicken nugget box. Look at that basic prompting. 20 chicken nugget box, tasty. That looks tasty. That looks like 20 chicken nugget box. All I have to do now is tell it, I want it to be orange and I want to say happy chickens, maybe at the bottom there, sorted. Boom. 20 chicken nugget box. Done. That's my tasty one. What did I do? Use the same image as a reference. Guys, this costs you $20. I'm not I'm not sponsored by these guys. I'm just excited for you guys. You're gonna making crazy money. Because the biggest problem most business owners I know are facing is They can't sell on Just Eat like the big brand, like the big guys do, like McDonald's, Burger King, and all these guys, and their images look terrible. That's why. Because if I'm traveling to a new city, let's say I go to London, of course I'm gonna be ordering from the ones I know because I like consistency. And if I don't order from people that I don't know, I'll go by the images. And if the images are looking like this, I'm telling you, man, I am I'm eating, I'm ordering that. Look at these ones that I ordered. That's another image. Look at that. That looks tasty. That's an African meal called mazondo. Sat in the mazondo, it's very nice and easy. It's simple prompting, guys. I did not do nothing. I did not leave this chair. I can do this on my phone. This app is on the phone as well. Come on, it's easy. Now, I'm sure you can recognize that font. Can recognize this. This is Burger King. I literally copied this from this image. Literally said copy image, came over here, and then pasted it, and then pasted my image and say cool. Now use this as a reference, whatever. I didn't even tell it. The prompt was awful. Make my own version using Orange Happy Chicken brand. You know what I'm saying? That was terrible prompting. If I really wanted to use basic English, I'm gonna say, hey, change the text to this, change that to this, make the beggars look like my beggars, but use this style of font and whatever. Boom. And that looks beautiful for your website. And you can have that in seconds. What I want to tell you, if you have not yet left, which I know you're still watching because you want to make money, is guys, you can do this by yourself. This would have cost you thousands of pounds to get this done professionally, to get someone to bring their setup, pictures, images, trying to make sure that you make the best chicken or make fake chickens and paint them. That will cost you thousands. I've done this before, trying to get professional images done for your brands and if you're selling like bottles of this, trying to get them professional images done will cost you hundreds of pounds, mate. You know what I'm saying? Even this, trying to get this done will cost you hundreds of pounds. If you have a product like this, when I used to sell on Amazon, this would cost you hundreds of pounds to do. But now I done this for like probably nothing really because I'm paying £20 a month for this subscription. You want to make money? You better start getting into AI. You may not use this one, you can use another ones, but that's crazy. So this one attempted to make a video, not the greatest video, but hey, it's better than nothing. If you didn't have a choice, that's something. And videos kill on the internet. Videos win on the internet. Like that simple video there, you can use it as an ad, to say, hey, order now, whatever. Like literally you said order now on Instagram. This could be a killer ad. I've seen it work before. Simple thing like that. But there's better ones, like this one. Yo, have a good one. Please, if you need more help, and I want to use real brands next time or real restaurants, if you need help with this, message me, email me, and we can get talking and I can help you out. And we can make a video like this next time using your brand or your business instead of using this made up Happy Chickens business. Peace. All right.